Hey everyone, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and today is Monday, November 12th, and I am back here at Disney's Hollywood Studios parking lot. There has been some more action taking place with the Disney Skyliner. They had Victory Way closed off last night between the Caribbean Beach and Pop Century in order to do some more work on the cabling system here. So I'm going to get you turned around and we'll take a quick look and see exactly what they did. Alright everyone, so here I am. I'm standing right in the center of the Hollywood Studios parking lot. This is actually the track that runs down from the Caribbean Beach, which is down in that direction. And this is going to run all the way into the Hollywood Studios Skyliner station. You can see the Tower of Terror over there. Just give you an idea of where I'm actually standing. Sorry, the sun is a little bright here as I'm panning around. Might get a little loud as well. I'm right next to the trams and there's helicopters flying by and everything. So we're going to get through this and try to explain what's going on. I want to tell you that I appreciate all the awesome comments that I get. I'm kind of learning as I go here as well, and I love getting education through you guys, through the comments. So what we're learning is the top set of cabling here. I did a video a couple days back where I wasn't quite sure what these top cables were, but the two outside cables on top are used for electrical grounding. So the towers are grounded themselves, but if a lightning strike were to occur, the lightning could dissipate through these cables through the top and then down through the towers themselves in order to prevent any damage happening to the gondola system. So that's a huge safety issue. The other cable that runs through the top in the center, hopefully you guys can see it, is going to be used mainly for communications and some closed circuitry wiring and things like that. Now these may not actually be the actual cables themselves. These could just be starter cables that will run the actual cabling through. What happened overnight is they had Victory Way closed off between the Caribbean Beach and Pop Century because they were running these cables that are running through the main pulley wheels here. Sorry, it's a little shaky here. I'm trying to get as close as I can. Now this cabling looks a little thin to me as well. This could just be, again, another starter cable to pull the actual haul ropes through. Personally, I think it's going to be a thicker steel cabling, steel haul rope that's going to go through there. You guys can tell me if I'm right or wrong. But we have the beginnings of the Skyliner cable going through. It's pretty awesome. This is what it's going to look like. There's going to be, you know, this is going to be all the primary cabling going through. It's just going to be, I believe, a thicker haul rope that's going to go through these main pulleys up here. I could be wrong, but we will see here in the next few days. I'm sure they're going to start running the main cabling if that's the case. Now, if this is the main cabling, it's going to be some super, super strong steel cables that's going to hold these gondolas up. So I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on that. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Let me give you a few more shots here, kind of widen out a little bit. Now, what I have noticed is that this is definitely going to be a place where the birds love to perch up there. You can hear all the birds chirping. There's a ton of birds up there. I'm not quite sure if you can see them. But again, there you go. There is the wiring that's happening from the Caribbean Beach station. They did this all overnight in one night. They pulled all this cabling. You can see some pictures that I had. They had their road closed last night. You can check that out on Facebook, Passport to the Parks. Always definitely check out passporttotheparks.com. You can see all kinds of cool stuff there. So that is heading down into the Skyliner station there at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is another quick update here from Disney's Hollywood Studios for the Disney Skyliner. I'm really having a lot of fun following along with this. I'm learning a lot along the way. I really can't appreciate enough the comments, all the great input that you guys are giving. Keep it up. Keep all the comments coming. Keep the information coming. I love learning about this stuff, and I'm sure everybody out there loves experiencing this and learning about it too. So thank you so much, guys, again. Again, check out passporttotheparks.com. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, all that stuff if you want to keep up to date with this stuff. As we have more occurrings with more ropes being pulled, more cables being pulled, they're going to probably start doing other lines as well. You know, maybe Pop Century, Art of Animation, the line to Epcot, to the Riviera. As I see it happen, I will definitely bring it to you guys. So hang in there, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.